Alright guys, so for this video it's another huge haul from Mary Kay, and everything that I'll be showing in this video can be found at fontanapharmacy.com and Fontana Pharmacy Island-wide. So let's just jump right into it. First I want to show you guys what I got, and I got this little it's like a storage system. So I have one similar to this for my kit, and I just store my brushes in there. This is perfect for makeup artists, us makeup artists who can store wedges, brushes, liquids, lashes, tweezers. So this is perfect. Next I have a Ziploc full of items, and it's just a lot. Let me show you guys. This is a lot of stuff. Yeah, hopefully my battery doesn't die because I have a lot of stuff. So this first thing is Mary Kay at Play, and it's a jelly lip gloss. Oh, and I just stood on the floor, and this looks like this, and it says jelly lip gloss. So it's just a lip gloss, and it's like jelly. That's interesting. No taste. You know, all black people say. Alright, so next it's another jelly lip gloss, triple tint balm. Oh, Mary Kay at Play triple tint balm, and it's in atomic red. The color is right there, atomic red. Oh, and it's a lip balm. Look, it's a, oh, smells nice. It's a lip balm. Then Mary Kay at Play again, and this is peach pop, and this is lip and cheek stick, and it's called peach pop. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Okay, then I have these here. Oh, let me finish with the Mary Kay at Play stuff. Another Mary Kay at Play, and it is their baked eye trio. It's called Out of the Blue, and the name is right here, Out of the Blue. Oh my god. Oh, do I pull this? Pull. Oh my god, look at that, and I'm barely touching it. Oh, that's nice. That is nice, Grandma. And here's another Out of the Blue. Oh, let me keep that so I can do a little giveaway or for my kids. Next we have a baked eye trio called Sunset Beach, and I can tell it's going to be, oh, this is so pretty. Look, it is so pretty. This is pretty. And then here is Mary Kay at Play again. It is their gold metal, and this is a bold fluid eyeliner. Yay, an eyeliner. Wow, it is gold. It is gold, you guys. Ooh. I don't know, so I'm going to do something for them here. I don't know, I already know. And blew my mind, another bold fluid eyeliner. Blew my mind. That's a cute name. Oh my god, these are nice. Then we have French Rose, and this is a mineral eye color. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I could depot these and put them in a Z palette, and this one is called Crystal Line. This, oh, boy, God of grace. Okay, didn't break. Thank God. Let me close. Gosh. God, it didn't break. This other one is called Sweet Plum. Ooh, nice and plummy. This blood chop. Sweet Plum. And this next one is called Peacock Blue. Oh, yes, ma'am. Nice, huh? I've never tried Mary Kay eyeshadow, just the foundations. And this one is called Amber Blaze. Yes, ma'am. Yes. And this is a bronze. A bronzer is called Bronze 5. It says Endless Performance Cream to Powder Foundation. Oh, it's a foundation. Oh, that's cute. So the next thing in this other Ziploc bag is, first thing I'm going to take out is this here. And this is an Ultimate Mascara. Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. Ultimate Mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, honey. Yes, please. Thank you. It's been a while since I've worn mascara. Excuse me, that's honestly because all mine dried out. This is Mary Kay Nourishing Plus Lip Gloss Fancy Nancy. Oh, so these are like just samplers. Oh, these are samples. Oh, these are all samples. Oh, and look, I got a thing where you can, match your foundation. Oh, it's a sample pack. Oh, I can save these then. Oh, I can definitely save these. Alright, so let's move on to something else. Let's see what these are. I think there's a mirror. I think so. It's cute though. It is cute. Yeah. Oh, look, it says Mary Kay. It is a mirror, right? And I flip it up here. Oh, hey. And then I put it right here. And then I can use that little tray and as a little mirror thingy. Cool. This is cool. This is cool. This is so cool. Alright, so let's go over here. Oh, they have skincare products as well, guys. Okay, so I didn't know that Mary Kay had skincare products. I knew that they were a big brand, but I didn't know they had skincare products. I used one of their microderm face scrub, and I loved it. One time I used it and I loved it. So this is by Mary Kay as well. It's called Clear Proof, and in it has, let me just tell you guys what it has right now. It has acne treatment gel, this small one here. It has blemish control toner with salicylic acid. It has clarifying cleansing gel. Oh my god, I hope this works for my face. And it also has oil-free moisturizer. So that's that little kit. Next I got this. Yes, Mary Kay. Yes. Oh, it's battery operated and the batteries come with it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and of course I have an instruction manual. Yes, I'm going to look at that for you. So I just want to show you guys everything that I've got. Okay, and at the back here is another sample. It says Ultimate Repair, Timeless Repair, Volume Sampler Set. Let's look at what this is, but it's a sample, so I'm trying. I hope my battery doesn't die. It's oh, see, it's just samples. I got a notebook, and you don't know this about me, guys, but I absolutely love notebooks. I love notebooks. This looks so cute on my desk. Oh my gosh, it's like a planner. It's a planner, and I went and I bought a planner, you know, because I didn't have one. Oh, so this planner can just fit in all my bags, because I have a really big planner that I bought at Fontana Pharmacy. Oh, and here we go. Okay, I won't pull this, but these are little trays that I can use for classes, but that I can use to put foundation in, to mix lip gloss, mix foundations and that sort of stuff, and it's plastic. Alright, and then I got disposable facial cloths. They have so much stuff. I had no idea Mary Kay had so much stuff, and I got 2 more mirrors. I had no idea Mary Kay had so much stuff. No idea. Alright, so let's delve into the bag again. We are looking at, oh, Lash Love. Yay! Another mascara. I didn't have no mascara, now I have 2. Oh, and the one is smaller and it has a curve. Yes, Mary Kay, yes. Yes, girl, yes. And I got a brush cleaner. I didn't know that Mary Kay made brush cleaners. Look at the size of this big boy. Let me smell you. Let me smell you. Let me smell you. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Breathe me. Breathe me. Oh, that smells nice. Okay. Okay. Then next, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? I'm looking at Satin Lips, the lip balm. Another lip balm. I don't know about you guys, but here in Jamaica it's pretty cool. But as a blink, it's going to be summer. Oh, I got another mascara, waterproof. This one. Ooh, and it has a different packaging. Lash Love waterproof mascara. Let's look at the wand. Oh, and it's thinner. Look at that. It has like the big bits and it comes down. That's nice. Like almost tapered at the end. That's cute. Then we have another. Oh, it's a lip mask. Satin Lips lip mask. I've never used a lip mask. Lip mask. Lip mask. Apply gingerbread lips. Leave on for 2 minutes. Then remove. Alright, in time. By the time guys see this, the day would have already passed. It's in time for Valentine's Day. Get my lips all kissable. That's what you're doing. Then we have a compact mini. What's this? A compact mini. It says, let's see what this is. Ooh, this is cute packaging. Cute. This is black and it ombre. Just right here is ombre. Oh, this is what the foundation goes in. Remember I got a foundation, so it goes in. Yay! I'm gonna put those 2 together. Then this is a makeup finishing spray. Are you kidding me? I had no idea Mary Kay had so much stuff. This is a lip liner. And oh, it's a white lip liner. It's white. It's a lip eraser. Look, it's not even coming out. It's when you make a mistake to the lipstick and you go over it. I'm so stupid right now. Eye primer. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Eye primer, boo. Eye primer. Eye primer. Don't drop on the ground. Don't give up on God. This is Time Wise 3-in-1 cleanser. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, you get your girl's face on point. I see you. Oil-free eye makeup remover. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my god, I'm so honored to receive these things. This is age fighting moisturizer, because you know your girl's gonna be 31 this year. So okay. Time Wise age fighting moisturizer. And then of course we have our disposables, sponge tip applicators. Then we have a mineral foundation. Mineral foundation in what color? Bronze 5. Oh. You think anybody from Mary Kay watches my videos? Because if they did, that would be awesome. Oh look, it's silver. And it feels like plastic, so if it falls it won't break. Oh, what the hell is this? Should I back side? Look, you can turn it to lock it. Are you kidding me right now? I'm being so stupid. I'm frightened. Frightened Friday. Then we have Time Wise Day solution sunscreen, SPF 35. Yes, please. Oh yes. Oh, my battery's blinking. Don't die. So next we have a lipstick, and it's called Really Red. That's the color, Really Red. Oh, that's pretty, that's pretty. Then we have a nighttime solution with like little beads in it. And then we have a liquid foundation. Time Wise night solution. Then we have a Time Wise luminous wear liquid foundation. So that's everything that I got, everything that was in here. I am blown away. My battery is dying. Yeah, that's basically it for this haul, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm so happy when you film a haul and there's junk all over the place. Look at all this beautiful stuff. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.